You guys, this is crazy. This is November 1st here in Ohio. Look at this. Told you guys it was snowing a little bit last night. I'm up getting ready to go to work, and this is what I woke up to. What in the hell? This is why I wanted to get everything down yesterday. Look at this. Everything is covered in snow. Look at the boogeyman. The whole back of him is covered in snow. All the guys on the porch are good. But everything out here, Twisted Tina's covered. I mean, everything's covered in snow. There's a good, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch on the ground there. Looks kind of cool though with the snow in the cemetery here. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. This is crazy.